Hello again, everybody. Wayback Sports Cards, and we're here with another box break for you. What you see in front of you here is 1989 Fleer baseball cards, and what I've done is I've taken out a few packs for giveaways. I've opened up a couple off to the side because I think a 36 pack break is quite long. So I got 24 of the remaining packs here. I bought this box on eBay. It wasn't sealed, but all the packs were sealed and all 36 packs were there. I'm going to show you some information on this Fleer product because it's an interesting one. 89 Fleer would otherwise be considered a straight junk wax product. And for the most part, I'd say 95% of the cards really are junk wax. There are a few things to know about this set. There are several rookie cards in here. Ken Griffey Jr. headlining that. Craig Biggio, Randy Johnson, Gary Sheffield, John Smoltz, and this set is just known for the variations. Half of the California Angel players have white rather than yellow halos. Certain Oakland A's players have red instead of green lines for the photo borders. And checklist cards are available with either with or without the positions listed for the player. And that's just a couple of them on the surface. The two big variations. One is the Randy Johnson rookie card. There's two variations. The most common version features a blacked out image on the outfield billboard behind him. The scarcer version has the Marlboro billboard actually shown. So we're hoping to find that in here. And of course, the big ticket, the BILLY Ripken, the I'll call it the FF error on the knob of the bat. There's multiple variations of this. There's a scribble version. There's a black box, which I believe is the most common version to correct the error. But some obscene words showed up on the card. So those are the three. The BILLY Ripken, the Randy Johnson, and the Ken Griffey Jr. are the big finds here that we're looking for. So we're going to get going. Sticker in each pack, 15 cards per pack. We're going to get right going here. Most of these, like I said, are going to be Junk Wax City. Deion James is a through-the-mail autograph signer, if you're interested. Ron Tingley, great name right there. Kevin McReynolds, and you can see just terrible photo choices. Satin jacket's awesome, though. Greg Jeffries, hobby darling at the time. Joe Carter, still with the Indians. Tom Browning, I believe, author of A Perfect Game. Red Sox sticker. Bobby Bow. So you can see the checklist right here does not have player positions listed on there. Willie McGee, batting champ. Rick Cerrone, through the mail autograph signer. Blackjack McDowell, Norm Charlton. Haven't hit on too many big names just yet. We got the Darryl Strawberry, Will Clark cards in the first pack. That's about it. No sticker here, oddly enough. Some of these quality controls not great here. Vance Law, I believe, signs through the mail, although I haven't sent to him yet. Jack Morris, Hall of Famer. Prospects, Lenny Harris, Marty Brown, Danny Heap. So 3 packs in, and you can see exactly why this 660 card set is basically junk wax. Just really, when you got that big of a roster of cards, you're just going to get a lot of commons, and that's exactly what we're finding here. John Kruk, not quite a common. Corsi Malaki prospects card. Mike Stanley, later with the Yankees, does through the mail autographs. Tim Raines, Hall of Famer. There we go. Scott Service, Shane Turner. Danny Darwin does through the mail. Wally Joyner. And the crime dog himself, Mr. Fred McGriff. Philly sticker. And by the way, these stickers I usually send out sometimes with through the mail requests. Oh, whoa, here we go. First card is the Griffey Jr. rookie card. So I'm going to move this pack, and Mr. Griffey will now take a prominent spot there to the right. Nice. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Left to right centering might be just slightly off, but nice Griffey. Big hit, Will Clark. Steve Sachs. Craig Worthington was stuck behind him there. And my guy, Donnie Baseball, Don Mattingly. There's always room for another Don Mattingly in my collection. And I'm guessing the 89 clear that I do have of Don Mattingly is probably in worse shape than that one is. So I might just switch those out. Rags, Dave Righetti. Here we go. Barry Lamar Bonds, Home Run King. Another checklist. Gary Redus. Vince Coleman, perennial stolen base king in the National League. Marty Barrett. I feel like you got to say that. Marty Barrett with a bit of a Boston accent there. Otherwise, it just doesn't count. Multiple 4-card sticker. Milt Thompson, who I believe does through the mail. Ernie Witt, I believe, as well. Gary Gaetti. The Wizard, Ozzie Smith, followed by Wade Boggs. 2 back-to-back Hall of Famers. Nick Osaski. No sticker in this pack. Again, take notice of that. Rookies, Luis de los Santos and Jim Campbell. Chris Gwynn. Frank White. Early career, Al Leiter. Not his rookie, I believe 88 tops is. Jimmy Key. Super underrated starter for the Jays and later the Yankees. Jesse Barfield. Another Blue Jay who would later become a New York Yankee. Another 4-card or 4-sticker card. The Alomars, Sandy and Roberto. Nails, Lenny Dykstra. Mookie Wilson. Oil Can Boyd, love the nickname on the card. Rhino, Ryan Sandberg, BJ Surhoff. I have a feeling if we do find a Randy Johnson that it might have the blacked out billboard just because this Don Gordon seems to. But let's see what we end up finding. This does appear to be perhaps a later box. That's not to say we still don't want the Randy Johnson card. Big Cat, Andres Galarraga. The Bull, Danny Tartabull. Hold on a second. Danny Tartabull. Mike Witt. There we go. Rookie card, John Smoltz. Very nice. Nelson Liriano. Mike LaValliere, catcher. Looks like the Repo Man if you ever watched WWE as a kid. Frankie V, Frank Viola, All-Star Team card of Jose Canseco. This is an insert, 2 of 12. I don't think there's odds announced on any of these, so they are just randomly inserted, but that is an insert. Bruce Sutter, might be his last card. And Felix Fermin. I know people are watching me rip the wax packs. I did save a couple of good earlier when I opened some off camera. I did open them very carefully and saved a few wax packs. I don't save all of them. There's George Brett. There's another rookie card. The man himself, Craig Biggio. So we've got Griffey, Biggio, and Smoltz rookie cards all accounted for thus far. Von Hayes, Jeff Reardon, Vicente Palacios. Last card there. No sticker here. Chili Davis, Tom Henke, solid closer for the Jays. What is that on his jersey there? Is that a rip or is that a printing error? That's interesting. Jim Gott does through the mail. I do have some cards getting ready to send out. So does Greg Gagne. Here we go, another all-star team. This one is of Julio Franco, the ageless wonder. Bob Kipper. Mike Greenwell, underrated player there for the outfielder for the Red Sox for quite some time. Sticker card, Jerry Roos, end of his career. Pitcher, swinging the bat, Dave Concepcion. We've got Dave Martinez, Ray Quinones, Brady Anderson, maybe a rookie card with the Orioles. Went on to hit 50 in a season in '96. Carney Lansford, Matt Williams, could be a rookie card. I'll have to take a look at that. Royals sticker. Darryl Boston. Love that. Look at that. Starter logo prominently featured. That jacket is beautiful. Not even a White Sox fan, and I would rock that just about any day. Otis Nixon. Alvin Davis. Brett Butler. Just sent some cards to him through the mail. He is a through the mail signer. Fernando Valenzuela. Dave Stewart, solid pitcher for the A's. Sandy Alomar Jr., maybe a rookie card as well. Gino Petralli in that catcher squat there. All right, here we go. Jim Rice, DH at that point in his career. Raffy, still with the Cubbies. Teddy Higuera, solid starter for many years. People forget about him. He had a couple of great years and then injuries kind of derailed him. Solid pitcher for a while. Should have ended up with a better career than he ended up having. Andy Hawkins. We've got a rookie card. Randy Kramer, Miguel Garcia, Mike Devereaux. There's the other rookie, Gary Sheffield rookie card. Not bad. That is I think the only one in the majors, the major rookie cards that we're missing is the Randy Johnson at this point. We've got the Biggio, Griffey, Sheffield, and John Smoltz. So, pretty good box. Bob Melvin later became a manager. Jamie Moyer. Edge of this card's a little rough. Jim Gantner. Got the dad glasses there. Mark McLemore. This might be a rookie card of him. Mike Capel, Drew Hall rookie. Jeff Hamilton. Pascual Perez with the starter jacket and the flow. May he rest in peace. No longer with us. But his brother, I believe, is a mayor somewhere in the Dominican Republic, if memory serves. Melito Perez. That's his brother. No sticker in this pack, but Andy Van Slyke, Kent Herbeck right off the bat. My Greenwell insert. Put that down. Jeff Blauser. One of my friends on YouTube, Kites Curiosities, big Braves fan, told me Jeff Blauser does not sign anywhere, unfortunately. Told a great story about that a few videos ago. So actually we're about halfway through. We're about 12 packs through, and all of a sudden now I'm starting to notice the duplicates. So I have to say, usually I notice duplicates a lot sooner in a video. To go this far without duplication or noticeable duplication is good. There's Tony Gwynn. Another rookies card. Another big cat. So there we go, Tartable. Now we're starting to see a little bit of a duplication here. So, and there's another John Smoltz rookie card for our troubles. So we will take that level of duplication. Or another Griffey would be nice. This pack does have a sticker. There we go. Rick Sutcliffe with that beard there. Manny Trio, long career. Must be the end of his career. Mike Henneman. Kevin Brown and Kevin Reimer prospects. That must be a Kevin Brown rookie card. I will hold on to that. Jesse Orozco with the Dodgers. I don't remember this, but there he is. He does sign through the mail. We've gotten his autograph already. All-time leader in appearances, pitching appearances. That would be Jesse Orozco. Met fans certainly have a soft spot in their heart for Jesse Orozco. The famous last out of the '86 World Series, dropping to his knees in celebration. Iconic moment. This pack does not have a sticker, but we do have a Ruben Sierra, a Dale Murphy, a Mark Davis, and Dwight Gooden way off-centered card, but I do collect Doc Gooden. Ron Washington, shortstop, later manager. Ron Darling, now a broadcaster. Doug Sisk, part of the '86 Met World Series team. Bill Pacoda, Tuffle. Johnny Franco later. This is a Met-oriented pack right here. All right, so this pack does have a sticker. Eric Davis, super underrated player. Mark Grace, the great first baseman for the Cubs. Followed by Robin Yount, little off-center top to bottom. Still like it. Dante Beshette, which may be a rookie card. I think it is. Dante Beshette, his son, Bo Beshette, playing these days. I think Dante is associated with the Blue Jays, where he is coaching his son, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm noticing a lot of off-centering top to bottom on some of these cards. I don't know if you guys are picking that up on this video, but that seems to be the case here. Luckily, the rookie cards we've got haven't seemed to suffer from it too much. Oof, this thing needs an iron. Bob Nepper with that walrus mustache. Jose Canseco. Humberto Kelly, a couple of really good seasons with the Yankees. Unfortunately, the Yankees were not good during that period. Tom Glavine, second-year card. We've got Canseco, Steinbach, McGuire, again, way off center. Keith Hernandez, still with the Mets at that point. All right, looks like we've got another 6 packs here to go. I'm glad we did not go with the full 36 because we're already 20 minutes in. We do have an Edgar Martinez. Maybe a rookie card. Tony Pena, Ellis Burks, Ivan Calderon, all solid hitters. Terry Kennedy. The Cobra, Dave Parker, Jack the Ripper, Jack Clark, and Tommy John. Jack Clark and Tommy John, two great, well, I shouldn't say great, but two really good players who had really good careers in their own right. There's an Expos sticker. Love that logo. Billy Ripken. Oh, it's got the swear word on it. There we go. Billy Ripken. We hit the FF card. Unfortunately, the edge is a little rough coming out of the pack. Looks like it was cut with maybe a dull blade or something. But wow, the FF Billy Ripken card. Didn't think we were going to find that. Bo Jackson. Whew, I'm still buzzing off of that. I did not expect. There's the rec specs of Chris Sabo. Paul Molitor. Oh, man. Didn't think we'd get the Billy Ripken. I wish the edges were just a little bit better shape, but oh man. I guess I can't complain. I thought we were going to get one with the box on it. We definitely got one with the swear word featured. Ricky Henderson. Don Carman, I think he does sign. Kirby Puckett card there with Eric Davis. Hojo. Steady Eddie. All right, so 3 more to go. Wow. Really good box here. We got the Griffey. We got the Bill Ripken. Let's see if we can find the Randy Johnson in these last 3 packs. Again, no sticker in this one. Another Sandy Alomar Jr. It's nice to have a box with some chase cards here. Another Andres Galarraga. David Cone. Does through the mail, but does ask for money to sign. I tend to stay away from those, but some of you may want to send something out to Mr. David Cone. All right. Next to last pack, got a sticker here. Ozzie Guillen, Rob Dibble. All right, last pack here. Let's see if we can find any more of the key cards here. Willie Randolph, nice card. We've got Speed and Power of Jose Canseco, and the last card, Todd Froworth. So no Randy Johnson in this box, but we got a few massive hits. Bill Ripken, there it is in all of its unedited glory. Bill Ripken, again, the edge, you can see it there better against the Smoltz. Not great. Corners, this probably doesn't get a 10. It probably, I don't even know if it would get an 8, but still, really good card. The Smoltz rookie, we did get 2 John Smoltz rookie cards, and you could see them side by side. A little off-centered left to right. I think the one on the right's maybe a little better, but Smoltz rookie, Gary Sheffield rookie, Craig Biggio rookie, and the Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. which does look to be in pretty damn good shape. So I got to get these all on top loaders, but there you go. That is 1989 Fleer baseball cards. We thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. So long.